You can do this. I believe in you. I trust you. Oh hey, I didn't see you there. Welcome to my channel. Hey guys, it's Not a Mercenary, and today I'm doing something a little different, and I'm going to be showing you the 6 type of people that I met in high school. Now, I know a lot of you are going back to school. I personally graduated last year, technically this year in 2018, and these are the people that I remember the most. And if you're going into high school and you're trying to prepare, don't worry, okay? Don't let anything get to you. Don't let the nerves get to you. High school is not as hard as everyone makes it seem, but it's not as easy as the movies make it seem either. So in order to prepare you for this new journey in your life, I'm going to give you the 6 type of people that you're going to meet in high school. This is the emo. You'll usually find them jamming out to their favorite music, such as Panic at the Disco, 21 Pilots, Fall Out Boy, and Black Veil Brides. Although music taste does vary from emo to emo, you'll usually find them listening to stuff like this. You'll usually find them asleep in class because they were probably up all night either watching YouTube or on Tumblr or playing their favorite songs. But even though they sleep most of the time during class, they still end up managing pretty good grades for some reason. Emo kids can be really creative, and you'll find them drawing most of the time in class. And some emos can be actually really good artists, but most of the time, you'll probably just find them drawing on their hands. And for lunch, emos don't really eat anything. They feed off of their music, so most of the time, they just sleep for lunch. This is the gamer. You can usually find them listening to really emotional, deep rap music or lo-fi. Even though on the surface, all they want to do is game, they can get pretty lost inside themselves sometimes. The gamer is capable of making A+ grades, but even when they're studying, sometimes they can get a little distracted by gaming. But can you blame them? You'll also find them wearing t-shirts from their favorite games, movies, animes, or even TV shows. For lunch, you'll usually find the gamer gaming while snacking on sweets and sports drinks because all that leveling up can really get tiring. The well-balanced diet of a gamer is fit to give anyone a heart attack. Gamers are really smart but don't always apply themselves in school. This results them in getting grades that are far less than they could actually make. This is the popular party girl. You'll usually find her listening to people like Ariana Grande, Rihanna, Drake, or anyone who's topping the pop charts right now. The popular party girl can actually be really smart, if only she didn't get distracted by herself, her phone, or the latest drama. Oftentimes, when she could be applying herself in school, she'd rather be applying lip gloss. This girl is in love with her snacks. She always has chips and something to drink, and for lunch, it's the same story, except for lunch, she probably has hot Cheetos or Takis. You also might find her taking one too many selfies in the back of the classroom, and if a fight breaks out, you better believe she's going to be the first one there to record it. This girl will answer phone calls in the middle of class and quite frankly doesn't care what the teacher has to say about it. She knows everyone and thinks that everyone is her friend. Even though deep down she's really smart, her grades reflect how little she cares about her schoolwork. But she lets everyone and the teacher know how little she cares that she got a bad grade, and how she's never going to use what she's learned in that class in the real world. This is the popular preppy girl, and you'll usually find her sporting a purse instead of a backpack. She usually listens to top 40 pop hits and keeps to herself if she doesn't know anyone in the classroom. It's likely that she has money, so you'll probably see her on her brand new iPhone texting or calling someone. She's always making plans and trying to feel validated about the amount of friends or followers she has. And this can sometimes consume her whole world. This girl actually tries in school because she's afraid of what other people will think if she doesn't make good grades. She really seems to have it all. For lunch, she brings something from home because she wouldn't be caught dead eating the disgusting cafeteria food. This is the hipster, and while really smart, they can get a little too easily distracted by Twitter, Tumblr, or Pinterest. Once they start, they just can't stop. They simply just have to keep up with their favorite memes, food, artists, YouTubers, and even bloggers. But even this can be tiring, and the hipster may find themselves dozing off and having to rush to complete their assignment last minute. The hipster is into acoustic indie bands that you've never heard of and is always trying to show you new music. Some of this music may include bands like Fleet Foxes, First Aid Kit, Mike Snow, and MGMT. Look close enough and you'll also see that their style and tastes are dictated by who they follow on Tumblr. And for lunch, you'll find them eating snacks or vegan foods. Hipsters don't study much but find themselves getting pretty good grades from the things that they pick up in class. But when hipsters really do apply themselves, they're capable of A+ grades. This is the weeb/anime freak. You'll usually find them listening to K-pop, J-pop, or sometimes even nightcore. They can be really random and spastic around their friends and have a hard time focusing in school. They would much rather be cracking jokes than studying. These kids also wear whatever the heck they want to school, from cosplay to pajamas to anime t-shirts every single day. These kids are really smart, but sometimes hinder themselves because of how easily distracted they can get. Games, movies, anime, and even their friends are far more important to them than actual schoolwork, but they usually seem too distracted to even care. For lunch, you'll usually see them bringing sweets or candy or something that their mom made from the night before. They even have a certain way of eating sometimes. As you see on the screen, this girl is trying to eat this cake very cutely and like an anime character. The weebs or anime freaks don't give very good grades because of their lack of concentration, but they sure do try. Okay, so those are the 6 types of people that you may encounter in high school. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Make sure to subscribe if you like my content, and tell me what you would like to see more of on this channel. I am fairly new and we are growing quite slowly, but I will definitely listen to you if you put your comment down below, and I will try to reply as quickly as I can. I hope you enjoyed that funny little skit. In no way was it serious. I'm not trying to bash or be mean about any sort of group. In fact, I find myself in each of these groups, and I found it funny that I could relate to each one. See you guys next time, and thanks for watching.
What I see, somebody getting my action, someone other than me. Yeah, 'cause when I kiss you, it just ain't the same.